I got tagged recently on a picture, a very beautiful one, where the tube shape was full and then around it was kind of a strobe pattern. And I was very intrigued by that because, well, if your flashlight is on continuous, then how can you get like a strobe pattern on the thing you put on top? And so maybe you can put a small flashlight, that would do the trick. But then I swiped because it was a multi-post and I saw that it was all made in Photoshop. So great skills, well done, but really not my thing. But I kept thinking like, how could I do something like this? And that idea with the black tube has been running around for a few weeks now, and yesterday we tried it. So 2 tubes, here's how it goes. Okay, I'm going to explain this one. I have a black tube here. There's no light, so if I turn on my light, it's blank. But I have this modified tiny alien tube, has a zebra skin on top of it, and a small slider just to give a gap between the tube and the small blinking part. So I go in strobe mode on this one. This is why you see blocks of colors on top. And then I have, this is a golden tube. And so I'm just going